This is my secret and the best audio tweak video, and you might have seen a lot of videos on power cleaning tips online, and they range from power conditioners through switching off computers, appliances, maybe turning off your lights. But this is the ultimate tweak to rule them all, and it costs absolutely nothing, although there's one real danger to it, and I will mention that at the end of the video. So to make sure that you have no interference from your house, the best way to get clean power from your stereo is to go down to your fuse box, to your circuit breaker, and shut off everything which is not audio. So you can see there's like a doorbell, living room, fridge, dishwasher, range, dryer, disposer, counter, garage, bedroom lights, water heater, all kinds of junk which is important for our daily lives. It's important for the household, but everything, just every appliance generates noise, and that electrical noise comes back to the fuse box. And I have, you see those blue dots? It means these are my dedicated audio lines, and they are blue because these I have these breakers. I treated them cryogenically. That helps a little bit. I will talk about it in a different video, but actually my main purpose was that it's easy to see which are my audio breakers. So except my audio breakers, just switch off everything. For your case, find out which is the breaker or which are the breakers that your stereo is on. Get a flashlight if it's at night, and switch off everything, and you will be amazed at the dramatic improvement that you will hear. It's literally the biggest change ever. You can do like any component change, upgrade your amplifier, upgrade your speakers, and it brings a certain change with it. If you flip off everything except your system, that will bring a bigger change than changing any component in your system, any single component. So, and the biggest change in it will be that you will notice that there's a huge layer of nervousness that disappears from the sound. And usually what we miss the most in sound reproduction, in the music that comes out from your stereo, is a relaxed nature. We usually call it black levels, but black levels does not just explain it, because it kind of like implies that you are hearing the background, so there's nothing in the background. But there's also a part that your body, your mind is getting relaxed when you do not have that high frequency noise generating all that excitement in the sound, which is a wrong type of excitement. Yeah, not a healthy excitement that music produces, but the wrong one that the sickness or an illness brings about. So if you flip off everything, you will be able to hear music much more cleanly and without interference. However, during daytime, your neighbor has their own set of breakers, they use their computers, etc. So during daytime the effect will not be so great. But if it's like after midnight, when most of your neighborhood is asleep, so they are not generating tons of garbage into the power line, when you do this trick, flip off your breakers, it will be a major shock. The effect can be literally like going from a system you are thoroughly unhappy with to a sound which gets you spellbound. So I mentioned in the beginning that there's one single danger to this tweak, and that danger is you have to flip them back on after you are done. So don't just go to sleep leaving everything off because of this here. No, not that one. Where is it? Here you are. Fridge. If you forget to turn back your fridge on, by the morning you will have some warm beer sitting around. And if you have family members, for example wife or maybe husband or daughters or I don't know whom, who are running the kitchen, they will be very angry with you. So I hope this little tweak will be something of interest. You can try it out late night, then you won't bother your housemates, your household with it, and just let me know what you experience. Please like and subscribe. This was Real World Audio channel. Bye bye.